Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you have videos that are blurry, pixelated, grainy, or low resolution that you want to enhance? In this video, I will show you the best tool for enhancing your videos to 4K quality. Let's go. Lately, I've been exploring many video converters and was impressed by this one because of its versatility. There's no need for separate editors because this software offers conversion, compression, and enhancement for videos, audio, and images all from one dashboard. And if you want to upgrade a low-quality video to Ultra HD, its AI will perform the enhancements in seconds. Do you want to try it now? You can use my link below to download the software directly and enjoy a free trial offer for first-time use to fully experience all features. After installing the software on your computer, select the Video Enhancer tool from the main dashboard. Note that you will need to download it before using it, as it is a sub-feature of the editor platform. Once downloaded, click on the tool again to open the configuration page and upload the videos you want to enhance. You can upload up to 20 videos at a time for enhancement. It also supports a variety of file formats including MP4, MKV, and AVI. There's no need to adjust many presets just to enhance your video. Instead, you can simply select from the different AI models offered by the software, namely, Quality Restoration, which automatically transforms your video into Ultra HD quality. Facial Enhancement, for more pronounced facial features. Anime Enhancement is for those who want the anime visual style. General Video Denoise that removes noise from your videos to make the quality clearer. Finally, Frame Interpolation can convert frame rates up to 240 FPS for smoother playback. Just select the AI model and the program will automatically enhance your videos. For your reference, notice how the resolution of my video sharpens from blurry to clear. Although the earlier method improves video quality, keep in mind that it doesn't change the resolution. So a 720p video won't magically become 4K. If your goal is to turn it into Ultra HD resolution, I suggest you use the software's converter feature after enhancing your files. Go back to the main dashboard and select Converter. Upload the enhanced video. And click the Settings button. Expand the resolution drop-down menu and choose the largest available option. Then save your changes and click Convert to start the process. After the conversion is finished, go to the Finish tab and click the folder icon to find the final video. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.